Neha, why does my confidence disappear the moment someone says, please introduce yourself?
Because your brain switches to airplane mode.
True. Last time I said, hello, I am Aman, and yes, awkward silence.
Don't worry, introducing yourself is easy if you stop trying to sound like a robot. Step 1. Start simple.
First rule, keep it simple. Just say your name and where you're from.
Like, hi, I'm Aman. I'm from Delhi.
Perfect. See? No stress, no drama.
Next, add what you do, study, job, or what you're learning.
I'm a college student, and I'm learning English through podcasts.
Nice, clear, and confident. Now add one small personal detail, a hobby, goal, or interest.
I enjoy podcasts and learning new skills.
That's it. Now you sound human.
Okay, full version. Hi, I'm Aman from Delhi. I'm a college student, and I enjoy learning English through podcasts.
See? No fear, no panic, no yes, yes, okay.
I feel powerful now.
Quick recap. 1. Name plus place. 2. What you do.